Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will write one program in which we will read from a text file and we will write only those lines which does not contain A. First, we will define one function. We have to open the source file from which we want to read. Filein is equal to open sample.txt, R. Here filein is the file handle and sample.txt is the source file and R is the mode. Fileout is equal to open sample not a.txt, double. Here we want to read from sample.txt and write in sample not a. Fout is the file handle, sample not a is the target file and double is the write mode. We will loop in source file which is sample.txt till the end of file. While true, line is equal to filein.readLine will read one line at a time. And if line doesn't contain anything, then it will come out of the loop. For that we are using break statement, and if line contains A, then we have to skip that line. If A not in line, then we have to write the line in sample not a text. For that we are writing if A not in line, fout.write line. Now our writing work is done. In and not in are membership operator. They return boolean value. Not in returns true if a character or a substring does not exist in the given string. Now we'll close both the files. We have to call the function write not a to read the content of target file which is sample not a. We have to open the file in read mode again. We want to see the content of sample not a. For that we are writing print within bracket fout.read. It will read all the characters and it will give one string. Now our reading work is done. We can close the file by writing fout.close. File handle of source file is filein. Now let us execute the code. In target file we are having only one line here in thy temple. Now we can see the source file. It is having A in all lines except here in thy temple line. Likewise, we can write any program which does not contain any specific letter. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.